Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about upcoming Bajaj Pulsar 220F bike. The Bajaj Pulsar 220F has started reaching dealerships once again. The Bajaj Pulsar 220F is one of the more iconic and loved Pulsar models, which was succeeded by the Pulsar F250. Though it was discontinued earlier, the icon is all set to be relaunched. In fact, Bajaj has opened the bookings for the Pulsar 220F but only for a limited time. Bajaj Pulsar 220 price. The Bajaj Pulsar 220F is expected to bear a price tag of 1.34 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Bajaj Pulsar 220 features. The Bajaj Pulsar 220 features a pair of raised clip-on handlebars for a sporty yet comfortable riding position. It features a split seat setup and a quarter fairing up front for a sporty appeal. Bajaj has equipped the motorcycle with a semi-digital instrument cluster and projector headlamp. The tail lamp is LED, whereas the indicators are of bulb type. As far as safety is concerned, the Pulsar 220F comes with a standard single-channel ABS. Bajaj Pulsar 220 engine. The Bajaj Pulsar 220 employs a 220 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled, fuel-injected engine churning out 20.4 PS at 8,500 RPM and 18.55 Nm at 7,000 RPM. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox. Bajaj Pulsar 220 suspension and brakes. The underpinnings of the Pulsar 220 includes a telescopic front fork and twin 5-step preload adjustable gas-charged shock absorbers, along with a 280mm front disc with single-channel ABS and a 230mm rear disc. Its 17-inch alloy wheels come wrapped with 90-section front and 120-section rear tubeless tires. Bajaj Pulsar 220 rivals. The Bajaj Pulsar 220 competes against the TVS Apache RTR 204V in its segment. It could also rival the Honda CBF 190R, if Honda ever launches the bike in India. Other alternatives in its price bracket include the Suzuki Gixxer SF and the Royal Enfield Bullet 350, Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220. Bajaj Pulsar 220F specifications. Displacement 220 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4-stroke, 2-valve, twin-spark BSVI compliant, DTSI-IF engine, oil-cooled. No of cylinders 1. Max power 20.4 PS at 8,500 RPM. Max torque 18.55 Nm at 7,000 RPM. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Body type sports bikes. Bajaj Pulsar 220F features. Tail light LED. Speedometer digital. Odometer digital. Trip meter digital. Fuel gauge. Tachometer analog. Braking and handling. Pulsar 220F runs on 90/90ths, 17 front and 120/80, 17 rear broad tubeless tires that are further mounted over strengthened 5-spoke alloy wheels. The braking duties are taken care of by a 260mm disc brake at the front and 230mm disc brake at the rear that provide enough stopping power to the wheels. The suspension system comprises of telescopic, with anti-friction bush at the front and 5-way adjustable, nitrox shock absorber at the rear that ensures smooth and comfortable on any terrains. Engine and performance. Bajaj Pulsar 220F is propelled by a 220 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, DTSI, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine that comes coupled to a 5-speed transmission system. The mill is tuned to develops a maximum power of 20.8 bhp at 8,500 RPM, along with a peak torque of 19.12 Nm at 7,000 RPM that makes it the most powerful bike in its category. The powerful motor uses wet multi-plate clutch assembly to transmits the power to the rear wheel and digital twin spark ignition, DTSI, as its ignition system. It has power-oriented bore-x-stroke ratio of 67 mm x 62.4 mm. With this arrangement, the bike can sprint 0 to 60 km per hour in just 3.80 seconds and can hit a top speed of 144 km per hour. Safety and features. The bike is equipped with a 55W ellipsoidal projector headlight that gives a wider beam for better low-light visibility. The tubeless tires have a good grip on the road and do not deflect suddenly in the case of a puncture. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.